let's examine the flag design pattern. And the idea with the flag design pattern is that there's something that we want to see if we have that in a list or not, or if some condition is taking place, then we want to raise the flag. That's sort of the idea of that name, is that we can raise a flag and inform that this has now indeed happened, and then later parts of the program can, just by checking that if the flag has been raised or not, be aware if that's the case or not. And like always, we need the flag variable. So we sort of have the flag, and I set it up as false because that's an easy way to indicate that the flag hasn't yet been raised. So if you sort of ask, is the flag on, off, or off, this is the sort of way to express that it's off. And then quite often these flag kind of variables are used when we are looking for something. And here we are just looking for the number 42 in a larger text file, and we want to raise the flag if we find the number 42. So that's why I've created it as a separate variable. You could also, depending a bit on your case, vary this pattern and change the condition. So it might not be that you look for a number from a text file. You could also just see if there's any case like something taking place, and raise the flag in those cases when needed. So what we really want to do is that we want to have the flag variable so that we can say in the end of the program if it has been raised or not. So we want to say that if the flag is true, if it's been raised, then the file has the value of 42. And in other cases, we want to say that it doesn't have 42, it doesn't just have that value. So then we say that the file does not have value 42. And now comes the bit where we start to think how we do that checking. So, of course, we first want to sort of have the condition, and the conditional structure for this case is that is the number same as that we are now looking at, the same as looking for. And if that is the case, we raise the flag. And then let's start to compile these 3 bits together. So we wanted to sort of go through a file. This is the base form of going through a file. We cast that line from that file into a number because we are actually now looking for numbers. We are looking for the 42 from the example.txt. And if the number exists, then we want to raise the flag. And on top of this code, we need to have the other bits that we're being able to create. So we need to have the setup of the flag, so that there is a flag variable that we can raise. And then we needed to have the looking for, and then we have the final sort of conditions where we just check if the flag has been raised or not.